It's on safety.
Safety off.
Oh, you didn't add an empty chamber. You only put 5 in it. Hit the pole. And that's our review on the Heritage Rough Rider 5 1/4 single action 6-shot revolver. So what do you think? Is it good or is it bad?
Good.
You like it better than the 38? Is this your gun to play with? No?
I don't play with it.
Oh, is it your gun to get serious with?
What?
Is it your gun to get serious with? You do some serious business with it. This is it. You're not shooting other ones anymore. You're just going to shoot this one from now on.
Or the other one.
So what do you think of the Rough Rider?
The best.
It's the best? There you go. You heard it from Raelynn herself. It's the best. Do you want your glasses? Here you go.
Can you shoot this?
So there we go.
It's not like Grandpa.
Is that in there?
I want to shoot it.
This goes in here.
Grandpa, it's not done.
It's not done?
And it's not on safety mode.
Here we go. It's done.
No, you just put it on safety mode.
Oh. Ooh, that one would have went crazy. good? Is it good? You know, those glasses match your earplugs. All right. Tell the YouTubers, peace out.
Bye.